Today, for Mystery Tech, we have a very special guest, the one and only Lamar Wilson, CEO of Unboxings, and the first time that you've been on Mystery Tech since 2019, 2018?
I think it's been a while. And you're the first person that I've touched in years. Thank you.
It's okay, I'm glad I can be the first.
So since then, you've become the king of unboxings on TikTok. So we got you the perfect thing for TikTok.
Oh, okay.
So basically, Ken's fired, and this is gonna replace him.
I'm down.
Wait, the last time I got one, you said I still needed to work.
So
Okay.
we've got a fill-in light. I'm not
Okay.
sure why that's a fill light. I don't think fill-in light's a little
Fill-in,
different.
yeah.
So I'm guessing you put your phone on the mount.
Right.
Rotation, auto, face, body track, 8-hour working time.
So as I move around, now it's gonna have to be a really wide lens to get me to, like the track, because it has to know where I end, and I don't. It takes a while for me to end in the camera. So
It's got a lens on it, and then you.
But it
put
better
your
be a
phone.
really good lens.
I mean, it's probably not.
Let's find out.
Well, hold on. The fill-in light, red, white, or black. What kind? Is this a black light, or is that just a light that's off?
Well, what's filled in right now is white, so I think it's a white light.
But what's a black light? Is it actually like a black light?
My people, for thousands of years, have had lights in this world. How dare you? How dare you question what our light is supposed to be? Okay? All right?
I walked into that one. I'm not sure why I did. I'm just gonna open the stupid light now. Ah! It's bright. Oh,
Oh,
Oh, that's pleasant.
yeah. Oh,
that's like pink.
It added pigment to Austin's skin. That's great.
Okay, so it basically has 3 colors. So it's like pinkish. It's
like a
white.
mini ring light, right?
Yeah. Which is great for glasses. I've heard that.
Oh yeah, no, it's
I
you're
use a
the
ring
worst
light.
person for this, honestly.
There's a rotation shaft. So that's probably the most important thing I've seen.
Okay. The shaft is important.
Press and hold power on for 3 seconds, and you'll see a blue indicator.
Okay.
Then it needs to do a self-test. So it's gonna rotate all the way around to calibrate. So you will like clip this to the side of the phone or something, or?
No, I have an actual real ring light, like a man. You know, so like this is weird.
Oh, there's a call.
Well, we've all been there.
You need to pick up?
No, that's a lady friend.
Oh, Lamar!
Now, theoretically, it's gonna rotate by itself. It has the torque for it.
The twerk?
Yeah.
I mean, you were literally in position. I thought you were about to. Nope, the other way. The other way.
So.
Okay.
If-
Seek help.
Oh, wait.
It's falling.
It found me. It found me. Oh, wait.
Let's get started before this thing dies.
Hi. Hello. Wait. If I come over. Oh, okay. That's kind of following. Wait. What happens? Wait. Here. Cross. See if it grabs you or not. Hey, yo. It grabbed you?
Yeah, no, it has me.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Woo!
I don't
That
bring
was a good idea. All right, turn the light off. I'm curious how it will look. Ooh.
Does it still have you?
He still? It said, where is this guy? No, it's following.
Oh wow.
That tracking is impressive.
Hi.
God,
Welcome.
Everybody will leave your life. So the
Instagram.
moment you did
I'm an influencer.
that is not how we act.
So theoretically, if you were recording, or you know, this would be really good for, it's probably like a live stream.
Live stream be better because it's not very smooth. As I'm moving, it's jerking.
Yeah.
You know, it's like you said that wouldn't be great for video.
But it'll always keep you in shot, generally speaking.
Wait, this is the first time I can hide behind you?
Yeah, right.
Wow.
It likes. I think it's because I got a brighter shirt on.
Let's go with the brighter shirt part.
You know my favorite part of this? We'd have to download some stupid app. It just works.
It just works without an app. I'm legit impressed with this.
Yeah.
Like this is as the kids say, homie, dope to the end zone. Yo.
I'm sorry, what?
See?
Whoa.
You might be the CEO of Unboxings. I'm the CEO of Catching Things.
Like the first one you've ever
How dare you? How dare you? The wrist cam
Oh.
for Apple Watch. Size 42/44. I got a 45, so.
Which is a 42/44. So yeah.
I just think about the places that my watch and my wrist go, and I'm not sure I want that to be recorded.
Wait. What do you be
I
doing?
keep this on 24/7.
Well, okay, so like,
I mean,
is there a
think about
moment
it-
where your wrist is?
Potentially in compromising positions. In fact, regularly.
Aren't you married?
Anyway, welcome to Mystery Tech. Thank you very much for subscribing and ring-a-linging the ding-a-ling bell. And thanks for following the CEO of questionable jokes on TikTok.
Speaking of dingling, okay, so
Hey!
I mean, it has to have some use for some people. If you want to spy in that, can't do that. Wait,
What?
I mean,
You know when you see a beautiful sunset and you want to just take a quick shot? It's really, really good for that. No problem, no problem.
look at this.
Wait, is that a watch?
Wait, so is it not a real watch?
Wait.
I mean, it's not a real Apple Watch? Oh,
Wait.
This is some creepy stuff right here.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So this is a $300 Apple MFI certified watch band.
300? Like United States freedom dollars?
Available for free shipping on Amazon.
So 8 megapixel camera plus a 2 megapixel, 4K photo and 1080p video, 8 gigs of storage with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for some
Wait,
reason.
but there's a watch on it?
No,
Oh,
I
okay.
think it's just it's like a
it was
little.
just a holder. Oh, okay.
I mean,
What?
see, he does it too. I'm not the only one who has to sniff things.
Sure.
Acceptable, right?
Yeah.
Immediately, that looks a little strange.
Oh yeah, this is inconspicuous. No one would ever. So it's not that it's uncomfortable, but it gave me this mark. No.
Whoa! Are you serious?
I might have had that already. I don't know. I'm like, why do I have? I don't remember this earlier. So already, I'm gonna die.
A whole new world is about to begin for you. Oh, functional. We have a watch that works.
Before it dies, let's.
I'm recording. So this is the front-facing watch footage. What do you think?
It's terrible. It's like 1p.
I get that all the time. I'll immediately say it is incredibly uncomfortable to hold your watch like this. Like, hey, what's up? Vlog time. All right, I am now recording on the rear-facing
Yeah,
camera.
now that's the creep camera.
Attention, your wrist cam battery is low. I don't care. All right, so this is creep cam. So, speaking of creep cam, what's up?
How's the time? What time is it right now?
He doesn't know. Creep.
Oh,
Nothing
was
weird
good.
at all.
woo, how's it going, friends? I'm just, I got a cramp. I'm just got a cramp right now. So I'm just
Why
gonna.
are you holding your arm like that?
Yeah.
You know what? I pulled my
are you-
shoulder muscles, so I'm just gonna walk like this.
Are
Why
you
don't you go to
walking
public-
your imaginary dog?
Sir, please, I'm in a public bathroom. Can
Sir.
you not?
We should get a little POV.
Wait! Whoa! Hey!
I think it's dead.
So, okay, so it would normally just sink over.
It should automatically sync over, but it's just stuck. It said it had 40% battery, and now it's just dead. It's not comfortable to wear.
No.
Like it's big, and there's no scenario in which recording something on your watch is convenient at all. Because I'm like, you have to hold your hand at a very
Not when you're
specific
trying to be
angle.
sly.
Okay. There are many scenarios where it's useful. They're not legal.
And they're not for us.
Yeah, I would
Yeah,
never condone
entirely.
something like that. I would not use that. Not me. Nuh-uh. Nope.
Woo!
The Wing wrist rest.
Now, I was just looking for actually, I just bought a new wrist rest recently, but I wonder if the Wing will fly better for me.
Oh my God, that was beautiful. Oh no! I hate split keyboards. It breaks my brain. Oh my God, it's actually worse than I thought it was gonna be.
Oh. I'm already getting stressed out.
Do it yourself.
Are these?
Oh my God. What's on fire?
I want to do it.
Mini USB. Ugh.
Mini.
Yeah, mini. Not micro, not USB-C. I take lightning over
Wasn't
mini.
that around for like a year? Man, that's my day every day. You gotta make sure it's awake sometimes. Yep, there we go. And why are you white? But you know.
It's a weird curved shape.
This is
so it
what
went
you
to
make
the
the
side.
league, sir. That was that reason. Should I stop doing this?
I don't know. You live your best life. Do we have a laptop or something we can plug this keyboard into so we can break Lamar's brain? Ooh, RGB.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, and then
Ken, where do you find, like, what kind of weirdos on the internet do you hang out with to find this kind of stuff?
Programmers.
Yeah, you're
that's
right.
a good answer. My name is Lamar. And I hate this place.
I mean, I do too, actually. I'm not even gonna lie.
That makes 5 of us.
Let's investigate the website real quick.
Okay.
What is it?
What is this? 2 girls, 1.
Docs, easy. So we have the information. What? Why am I using Edge right now? Who uses Edge?
People who like to edge.
Whoa.
World's most powerful ergonomic keyboard lets you customize anything, even your key switches. So apparently it's a keyboard for the pros. So you can completely change everything. And
Okay.
It's great and amazing. Oh, it's a Linus. Oh, there's a Linus Tech Tips video. A no compromises ergonomic keyboard that actually looks as good as it feels. Linus Tech Tips.
Really, Linus?
I don't
really?
trust anything that a Linus Tech Tips person
Yeah.
would
Who is
say.
this guy?
Oh, wow, starts at 354.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna see who can type fastest. 10 words. Ready, set, go.
Okay. Oh God. Okay. Space.
Oh, you're on the wrong word now.
I'm not. Leave me alone. Okay. And why? And done. Okay.
9 words per minute, 50% accuracy.
9 words.
And 18 words per minute. Double the speed.
But here's the real question:
Yeah.
is the ergonomics worth it? Because that's what the whole point of this is.
I mean, you are probably sitting in a little bit of a more natural sort of typing angle. For me, though, the split keyboard splits my brain.
That's like a you problem. Thumbs down on this one. Wait, do we do ratings?
Next item, please.
That was not necessary.
All right, how you feel? I totally thought, I heard a noise. I thought he was about to smash you straight in the head with that huge box.
This is what we call conditioning.
How do you feel about Mystery Tech so far?
I'm.
He keeps winding up over here. I look like a crazy person.
Just getting ready.
You're gonna smash me in the side of the head.
I am liking Mystery Tech. It's we got some weird, stupid, ridiculous things, but that's what Mystery Tech's all about.
That is exactly
You know,
it.
back when I was a child, we had we didn't have technology. We had books and things, and so corded phones. And,
Sounds like dangerous.
and magazines with ladies in them, but not the video. Cut that. Wow. Hello.
Okay.
Ooh.
You caught it. It was a
I
nice
did.
catch.
Well, I cushioned the fall. So it's a box. Oh, it says "Let's Go."
Why are there keys? Oh, this is Forza.
Look at this.
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna let you unbox this.
You
because
already did this.
I did this, but now I get to see your reaction though.
Okay,
'Cause
okay.
You don't watch my videos.
I saw the thumbnail.
Like I said, did I mention I got 7 million views of this on TikTok?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
That's like more views than we've had in like the past 4 months.
That is like legit metal. So this is a Danish fuel tank.
So I made a really bad joke in my video with this.
Woo!
I said, why would they send me a gas can? Because I have a Tesla. And that's why I got 7 million views. That's not the reason. It's the content inside.
This is meant to be like a jerry can, but it's got a door on it.
Who's Jerry?
Rig everything.
Open the thing.
Okay,
What
I
is
almost dropped
wrong
it.
with you?
It doesn't stay up. It doesn't stay up.
You should be used to this.
So at this point, hopefully you've already seen, we did an entire video on a custom PC for the celebration of the Forza Horizon 5 launch that we gave to the one and only Sergio Perez. We went all the way to Mexico, we delivered it. It was a very good time.
Are you promoting one of your old videos in here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was checking.
I mean, it's Forza.
I know.
Is this a license plate?
Oh, that's so cool.
Look, it's like my license plate in Forza. Austin, not Duncan, my gamer tag. No, I mean, not my gamer tag. Don't friend me on Xbox.
I want to see you get this one out in one take. Don't cut the camera.
Austin, you. Yes.
I got it now. The Velcro exists for a reason.
It's still not gonna happen. It's still not gonna happen. Trust me. No one has done it in one take. Except you.
I did it. So this is the custom limited edition Forza Horizon 5 Xbox controller.
Isn't it nice?
I briefly saw this. So actually when we were playing with Checo, we had one of these. So I actually got to briefly see it.
Nice.
This is probably my favorite Xbox controller they've ever done. With the clear, but I also have like the sort of like the paint splatter. I mean, obviously yellow, pink. I mean, it's almost like it matches my outfit right now. Just all the way, just get down here. All right, and then we've got Road Trip.
Oh yeah, I want to see. Okay, do you know what this is before you open it? Just by the feel. Don't look at the. This is now my mystery tech. Really?
Oh, it's a candle.
Yeah, so you actually did the right thing.
Are you trying to tell me that my years of sniffing things actually finally paid off?
Yeah.
It's a candle that smells like
A road trip.
Road Trip. Well,
It smells like Mountain Dew and gas.
Yeah, and tears.
a car
Yeah.
full of farts. You feel like you've been teched out.
Well, not quite, but
Oh God.
what?
Oh, is it? Wait, that speaker?
I feel like we've done. No, we didn't. We did a speaker a couple
There's a
years
Sony
ago.
speaker. That
Yeah.
Oh wait, that was with you.
Almost this exact thing.
Oh, I didn't realize that was with you.
Wow.
But it wasn't black, so that's different.
Sony, but yeah.
Ah! What? Wait, why'd you throw two
What was
things?
that scream? Ah!
That's
Ah!
it. Ah!
Are these two? Do these two items?
Wait. He almost.
At
What?
least he didn't eat that one.
Like, anything that they gave me, you promised I get to take home.
I don't think so. That doesn't sound like something I said. The Wooger Vest Edge?
It's a vibrating thing.
That doesn't make me feel better. What?
Ooh.
That is not true at all.
Oh, that looks
I have lost it.
fancy. Wow.
Wooger? I don't even know her.
Haptic vest for games and music. Hashtag all that feels. So we've got a charger here and a headphone jack. What does
Okay.
this plug into?
It's like there's a speaker right there.
Like incredibly like bulbous. To me,
I
it
could
feels
totally
like
walk out with these. You all would never see them. I just
I'm
realized-
not joking. Like,
I'm looking at the
you
camera
could
now.
just
This is
look
great.
like your collar.
Yeah.
Like you could actually hide that under your collar.
Okay, but how does it look now?
Well, now you really are a Martian.
thanks for the thumbnail.
And he's like that.
I'm sorry, honey, that you had to see it like this, but this
Oh.
is just the way that work went
I don't know
today.
what I'm doing, but this is.
Yo,
We rarely do, but
On other
sometimes
platforms, we gotta pay for this.
things are happening now. Apparently, the microphone is being broadcast right now.
Yeah.
The Xbox that we're playing, Forza Horizon 5, is going to the controller, which is going out via headphone jack, into my Vesto-Matic 9000, which is then going back out via headphone jack to my Necomatic 7000. Would you like to give me the oral bliss that I've been waiting for? Oh! I'm feeling things! Lamar, I'm feeling things! Oh, I felt that. Oh, yep.
That feel good?
It's like you have an Xbox controller that you're sitting inside of. It's about that level of like vibration. It's like you're sitting inside an Xbox controller. Like it's about like the same.
Is the controller inside you or are you inside the controller?
I'm inside the controller.
Okay. I was really hoping for the other way.
I don't know. I guess I was expecting more.
Here, you don't feel this now? That doesn't feel intense?
Well, I don't know. Keep going and we'll find out.
Okay, because you should be really feeling that.
Ah, no!
Okay.
I'm running into things. That feels so strange. I want to try something. Let's listen to music with it.
Oh,
I want to
okay.
listen to something with like a real like a drum beat or something.
Oh, wait, are you doing it on purpose?
I will not move. Feel it.
Wow.
Oh, you can kind of hear it in the headphones just a little bit.
It's definitely strong.
Here's the microphone.
Wow.
And that's on his back. From back here, without knowing the context of music, it just sounds like he had a little too much tacos today.
Yeah.
I mean, Taco Bell. This might be cool if you're playing in VR. Might be cool playing a first-person shooter. It
I'll
doesn't.
say shooter, for sure.
The thing that I kind of struggle with is it doesn't really feel like it gives me the full body oral experience that I'm looking for. Which is really the. I mean.
Austin, there are many places in California that can do that for you. You don't need to buy a vest for that.
Well, the problem is that it doesn't work. Like, the more it vibrates, the less I feel like it's actually doing something for me. So I think one of the things I really want to try to explore
Not going.
was that. You okay there?
I'm fine. It's just one of my breasts is a little cold in here.
Oh, it is a little cold. So thank you very much for watching this episode of Mystery Tech. Make sure to go and subscribe and follow to the wonderful Lamar Wilson on every social platform that you can get your hands on. Apparently, he's gonna.
What? What's going on? Can we finish the video, please? Is there a problem?
You know what?
So all of a sudden the black guy gets accused of killing
Wait.
Thank you very much for watching.
I am shocked.
Please subscribe. Ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling button, and hopefully we don't get demonetized.
How dare you?
Is it a boy or girl?
Both.